welcome back. We are back with another exciting and a positive episode, because the book which I am going to suggest you is it's something like that. It will remind you of those people who brought you in a right path. Especially your parents, they are like your first teachers. Whenever you do a mistake, it might be hurtful for you at that moment to getting to understand your mistakes, and you think everything is fine, why they are scolding me. And when you come to that part of your life where you thank your parents and thank the universe for sending the signals and sending me in the right path, that's where the real happiness exists, and that's where the real happiness arises. Why I'm talking about teachers and positive is the book which I'm going to suggest is quite similar to that. It's none other than the epic book Tuesdays with Morrie. This is one of the best books. I really want to talk about this book from many days, but it didn't went out really well. But the actual theme of this book is how positive you can be till your last breath. I'll start talking about this book by telling one of the word which I read that word from this book, which I cherish that word, and I mean that words. If you learn to die, then you'll understand how to live. It's all about a cycle, and you just need to enjoy every single part in your life. So does the author understands the beauty by getting in touch with his professor who was in college, and right now he suffered from lots of bit critical disease where he can't be cured, and that's where on the deathbed he teaches the life's greatest lessons, not only to him but also to million people whoever are reading this book. Every single detail. It's not like that professor's life was like a cakewalk. He suffered the most dangerous, most saddest parts in his life, but still he maintained that positivity in his life entirely till his last breath. When you really read this book now, you're going to cry if you have a weak heart, but trust me, this is going to change your life. This is really going to change your life. I don't care if the video is getting longer, but make sure you listen to this, because every single part of this book has its own beauty. There might be some incidents, you can skip few parts, author especially talks about his life, what's going on currently at that specific situation, because this is based on a true story. So he tries to explain you at scenarios of that specific time period. But whenever he meets Morrie, that's the thing you really want to cherish, and you want to read it. That's such a beautiful book. He maintains a positive attitude, and the people around him, the way they take care of him because of his positive attitude, you're really gonna fall in love with this book. And I'm damn sure you're going to call your teacher if you are in school. You're going to go and hug your teacher who really changed your life. Teachers plays a really crucial role in your life, because they are the face which will guide you to the right path. First teacher is of course your parents, and then comes the actual teacher who is going to teach you the life lessons. And I'm sure you'll get that sort of teacher, or you have already got such teachers. So this is a tribute to all teachers. This book is a tribute to all teachers. So make sure you read it, because it's just going to be a miracle in your life. It's going to create wonders. So that's the end of today's book review, and we're going to talk about today's mandala. It's quite special, just like this book. So let's see what is it. So today's mandala is all about celebrating the deepness in the forest. So nature also teaches us a lots of lessons. The calmness, the patience, the way a plant rises right from the soil, and it actually provides a support to lots of people. When it becomes a tree, it's not just a small journey. It takes a very critical journey where no one able to understand and no one able to pay attention on such journeys, because we are busy with our own life and our own obstacles. So what we want to talk about by teaching this specific mandala is like we're going to celebrate the calmness in the nature. How? We're going to draw the trunk of a tree. I mean, if you cut a tree into half, you could able to see a pattern right there on the wood. Like we want to recreate such pattern again, because mandala is all about a circle which is filled with lots of details and lots of creativity in it. So we just want to create such piece. So let's see how it comes. It's my first time as well. So let's just enjoy it and let's go with the flow. Let's get started. So these are the tools required for this specific mandala. It's going to be a freehand mandala where we are going to use this sketches as a base, and we have this marker pen to add on the details of this mandala for the further. So yeah, let's get started. You'll love this process. This is the final output of the mandala. I hope it's quite similar what we imagined. If not, it's another masterpiece. I hope you will understand the beauty of the things which exist around you. Especially from the nature, we can learn the life's greatest lesson. All you just need to do is just stay silent and understand and observe the things. You will find all the answers for your questions. So that's how you can able to crack your challenges and crack your problems. So that was all about today's mandala series. I hope you loved it. If you want to add any kind of details, or if you want to learn any kind of mandalas, make sure to DM us to our WhatsApp number or to our mail. You can check all the details, our store details also in the description box. So make sure to visit it. Until then, this is Bindu Vaishnavi. Fill your hearts with art.